Hi, I'm Alexander Anok, and on this channel I test and verify legit ways to make money online before I expose them to you. And that was, by the way, the same way the devil that doesn't want you to progress will tempt you not to like, share, and subscribe to this place so that you always get updated. So don't allow anything to make you skip my videos. Let's dive into it.
MASTERANOK here, and on this channel or on this social media handle where you're viewing this video from, it's all about all the legit ways to make money online. I test them and verify them before exposing them to you. And here on this page, you can see it's all about buying on data very cheap. In my last video, I showed you the step-by-steps of how you can purchase the data very cheap. Okay, so if you have not watched the last video, I advise you to follow the link in the description to watch it when you are done with this video, or the link above. So in this video, what I will show you is how to earn while others buy data. Okay, now let's talk about the referral and earn. It's all about referral and earn. Now this is not a pyramid scheme. Pyramid scheme are all those schemes where they promise you to bring one person, they use the other person's money to pay you, or you can call it Ponzi. No, this isn't. You only get paid when the person you brought is making transactions. Now, how is it? The person you brought maybe deposited 200, which is the minimum, and decided to buy data. From that 200, they'll give you 15 naira, you understand, as your profit, and hold 150. Now, for the person who deposited, don't be scared. If you are the person that is signing up with someone's referral link, this doesn't affect your earnings in any way, or does it affect your deposited fund. Okay, this organizer is paying, they are carrying the charges for this. Now tap on this earn button down here on your dashboard. Tap on that earn button. Now on this earn button, you can observe you will get paid. This is what I'm reading. You will get paid up to 15 naira for every data airtime transaction the person who referred us until you until you have gotten up to 5,000 naira from that person in total. You can use your referral earnings the same way you use the deposited funds. So, or you can request what payout. So you can see request payout down here. If you want to withdraw. Now to request payout, if I tap here now, they'll tell me to click on the end button, go to the dashboard, and use the form at the footer of the referral page to request payout. Well, I'll tell you about that later. This place is a brief calculation of what will be all about. One person equals 5,000, three persons equals 15,000. How much more if you refer 30? This is an estimation. So this is why you should take this affiliate business very serious. Now, as you can observe, I referred 2 persons. My estimated earning is 10k, but I have not been paid anything. Why is that? Because the people I referred have not transacted, but they'll show you that the person you referred is not showing. The person you referred is now having 10k, but if the person you referred has not transacted, or remember this, or capital OR sounding here, or if the person you referred have not linked a bank account, just bank account, not BVN, no other details, just your bank account which you can use to withdraw earnings. The person have not linked a bank account to their profile. Linking this bank account, the bank account you are linking now is used to identify each user, so that one user cannot create multiple profiles, thereby referring him or herself. It's not allowed. In fact, if it's discovered, you will lose all your earnings. They might close down all your accounts, so don't do that. So this is used to prevent that, so that each user have one account. So that's why the earnings they are not already referring. There are 2 reasons. Either the person that referred is not yet transacting, or is already transacting but yet to apply a bank account. So if you have applied a bank account to your profile and you have signed up using my referral link, Master Anok, go and do so now so that you get your 500 naira, and also you get a free bonus. That's the 500 naira bonus. Now the 500 naira bonus only come when you sign up with someone referral link or referral code. It doesn't just come that way. No, it only works that way. Sorry that I'm doing this. Now let's go down here. You can see they said your referral link. If I tap here to copy this, you will click. Now that is gone. That's your referral link copied. And your referral code you can also copy from that same place. If you have a referral promo code, you can click on this link here. Now, this place where they suggested just 30% equals 15,000. If you tap here, they will copy a link to. Don't tap on the blank to stop it from happening. If you tap there, they will show you a link to your profile where you can easily download files, pictures, videos to post on your socials to help convince people to sign up. This link now, all you have to do is open it in your browser. If you are already in the browser, you have to open it. You understand what I mean? So that being said, start referring and earning. So click on get paid and request withdrawal. This part is where you can put how much you want to withdraw from this website, and the amount you want to withdraw will be credited. Okay? So the amount you want to withdraw is credited every customary time. You just request, see how much you want to get paid. At the end of the month, at the end of the week, Monday, the next week, you'll be paid. Every week is Monday. Every week is Monday. They'll pay you your money, so you have nothing to fear. West African time. That means if you are in Nigeria, the time is totally correct. Now that's all for this page. This is the link to get a Play Store app, link to get the Apple app. So this is it. I believe we have learned how when you click on the M button, all the steps will be seen and how it works. Now one more thing before I go. You want to set your referral code. Double tap. Once you double tap, you click here, you delete it and remove this old referral code and put the new one. Apparently speaking, I don't have balance to change it. For example, if I want to change it to MASTERANOK. But really speaking, you use this referral code to sign up because that's my referral code. Okay? Once you use the referral code, you get your 500 naira. I get my 5k. We have nothing to lose. Just do this to support the channel. Now you have to double tap on it for it to save. You can see your old referral info will be invalid. To save your new referral code, a fee of 100 naira is applied. Okay? So now I will not be paying this fee right now, but that's my new referral code, so just use it to sign up. If I cancel this, it will change back to the old one. So if you click on OK, this referral code will be changed, your referral link will be changed, and everything will be brand new. Anywhere you have shared it, it will turn invalid. That is used to customize it. Okay? So they will also deduct 100 naira from your sign up fee. So this place, as I told you, carries to a page where you can download files that you can be posting on your status with the referral link you have copied or the code you have copied. Here you use to withdraw your money and you get credited. As you can see, my allowed or paid balance is still zero, so I can't withdraw, but they are paying. Okay, trust me when I say they are paying. They are paying because they have nothing to lose and you have everything to gain. You buy data cheap and you also earn with them. So that's all for this video. We close for now, and I know you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed the video too. Follow me at Master Anok or on all social media handles. Let's be friends. Like, comment, retweet, reshare, Anything you can do to help the channel, subscribe so that you also always get updated on the latest stuffs. Alright, so sorry for the sleepless nights, carried my day so far for today, but I know you really love the video and I love you guys. So any questions in the comments and I'll answer them. Don't forget to follow my about page on my channel if you want to contact me directly for anything. I drop my contact link, or you can just go to any of my social media handle at MASTERANOK, and let's do this. Now before I forget, if you have any question, always remember to ask them via live chat. This is their live chat, okay? Click here to close. Okay? Thank you.